Hey guys, Aaron here with Straight Line Cycles, and this video we're going to be doing some more welding on the back of the bike. We're going to go ahead and get our shock brace installed so that all of that can be somewhat mounted and ready to go. So you guys can't see what the heck I'm doing, so I'm just going to show you. This here is what we're mounting our shock on, right? And it has these two holes. So I'm drilling these two holes through the aluminum, and that will act as a good point to mount to. And I'm just trying to figure out where the heck my holes are so that I can drill my second hole. I believe it's right about there. So I'll put you guys right here. I guess our shock mount never would have held up. We'll go back to the drawing board on that part and see how far we can get. I'll let you off the hook on this one. I guess it's a good stopping point. So y'all have a good Labor Day weekend. I'm gonna forget that ever happened and move forward.